All right, so everybody give it up for Chi-Chi. That's right. Okay, so Chi-Chi, I think this is the last of the three names that she sent me, right? So Chi-Chi wanted me to feature the name, wanted me to feature a name today, and that name is Chinecherem. All right, so everyone ready to translate that name together? Okay, cool. So Chi in this context means God. Ne means is, right? Or like is doing. Chere or iche, right? Means to think. Basically just means to think or to like to have something on your mind, right? And that sound signifies ownership. So it's like thinks for me, right? So you put everything together and you get Chinecherem. God thinks for me, or God analyzes my problems. You know what I'm saying? God worries on my behalf. You know, God sees my situation, you know, plans my life out for me, and like he's always basically in my thoughts. He thinks for, basically he thinks for me. You know what I'm saying? Chinecherem. It's almost like he takes care of my problems. He thinks I don't have to do anything, right? It's like he does all the thinking, all the planning, all the worrying. Everything is in God's hands, essentially. That's kind of going a little extra with the the meaning, but it's basically he thinks for me. He has a plan. I don't have to do anything because he's the one. It's his battle, you know. He's the one making sure that everything lines up in my life. He's the one thinking about all the little details. You know what I'm saying? Chinecherem. God is thinking for me. God is working on my behalf. You know what I'm saying? Like I don't have to worry. I don't have to be upset. I don't have to overthink anything because God's got it, right? Chinecherem. Chinecherem's names give them the power to have really great conflict resolution skills, right? They're able to diffuse any types of fights or arguments between others. And they're also able to like really deal with like stress and anxiety, high stress, high anxiety situations, and just not get worked up. They work well under pressure, and they're also able to like calm other people down and, you know, just be like that, that voice of reason. And you know, they say cooler heads prevail. That's Chinecherems, okay? Tag and share this video with all the Chinecherems that you know. Thanks. Ndiba kwenu?
Yeah.
America kwenu?
Yeah.
Indoji nilo nono wakwezo.
Yeah.
All right, so what do you think? Chinecherem, would that be a good name for you if you would like an Igbo name? If you're expecting a child or something like that, if you're having like a baby naming ceremony coming up soon, would that be a good name for the child? Would you know someone who would be like, it would be very fitting if they had this name? Chinecherem. Let me know down in the comment section down below. So if you think this name would be fitting for someone, yourself, maybe a child you're expecting or a friend, let me know. I look forward to hearing from you guys. Look forward to hearing what you have to say. If you have a different concept or a different idea for a name that you would like to name a newborn child, please let me know. And basically I can give you the closest matching Igbo name to that name, right? So anytime someone speaks that name, they will invoke the power behind that name, kind of like Chinecherem, okay? So yeah, basically hit me up for any questions regarding Igbo names, and I can either give you or someone else that you might want to receive an Igbo name, a name on the Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. If you are Igbo, I can feature your name on this series, the Igbo Name of the Day, right? All right, so questions, comments, concerns, hit up my Instagram DM, link in the description below. If you liked watching this video, hit that like button. If you didn't like watching this video, then just tap it really lightly instead. All right, so please leave me a comment down below, subscribe to this YouTube channel, hit the bell button to get a notification for whenever I post a new video. It could be the video that you asked me to do for you, right? Share this with a friend, and just subscribe and continue to support this YouTube channel, right? I really enjoy making these videos that highlight Igbo Nigerian names. All of your support of this channel helps the YouTube algorithm out, so continue to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell button, hit up my Instagram as well too. I hope the names that I give out speak power into your life and goodness into your situation. Thanks a lot, take care, and I will see you in the next video.